On today's video, we're going to show you how we restored this antique cast iron table. Okay, this is an antique cast iron table base. It's upside down right now, of course. This is 3 pieces. Has a piece of threaded rod going down through the center, and it's all rotten loose, so we're going to cut that piece of threaded rod out, wire wheel the 3 pieces separately, and put it back together, paint it.
You know,
Just snap the bit.
I thought I felt something hit me in the finger.
Watch your eyes,
Cool.
okay? Yeah.
Cool down.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, that one was easy.
That one went. Yeah, it split. It split.
Yeah. That's a nice chisel.
Nice.
Good for you,
Bro.
That thing is a beast.
That's a monster. Is it hot?
Not really.
Yeah. All right.
Wow. And I'm sure once you...
Bro, not bad.
All these notifications, I'm gonna get 10 times more notifications because we put another ring camera in. Well, can't even speak around the outside of my own house.
Yeah, that's a little
I said,
frustrating.
yo, I gotta tell you a secret. You gotta come into the closet with me. So
Yeah.
nobody uses. Yeah, black
All
for
right.
sure. So I'm gonna wire wheel it all.
Yeah, I'm just gonna... Yeah, cool.
Yeah, this will be.
All right, we got some mineral spirits.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's it. That's
Oh
it.
yeah, I'm looking at the 3 lines over here.
Yeah, that's it.
Nice. Towards you over there.
That's it.
Good idea.
Yeah, we gotta
Good
work
idea.
smarter, not harder.
Exactly. Exactly.
Oh my god. Stop. Hold on.
A lot of smoke
Yeah,
going
I'm
on
capable
over
of doing
here.
this. I could always tighten it from up top. Oh no, I have 2 nuts. Never mind. You're tight.
All right.
You want to see if it's straight? I mean.
Yeah, well, we're gonna put it on the.
I mean, it looks like it would be straight, but.
Yeah, see, these little nuts are resting
On it.
So now I gotta level it out. Okay, let's see if this is level. See, there's these little adjustments here. Got it that way. Take a look this way. Oh, nice. Got it. Now we'll just snug this up. Okay, for the top, we're going to use this nice piece of sheetrock. Just kidding. I'm going to use a nice piece of marble. So we have this nice salvage piece of marble. Look at that. It's going to be beautiful. We're going to clean it up. You can see this is, I think, 36. Yeah, 36-inch diameter. Nice piece. It's going to be really beautiful on there. I'm going to flip it over and let's kind of fit it up. See how it looks. I believe we're going to put some wood slats. I think these pieces of plywood will be perfect. Now let's look for an adhesive to use. Okay, we're gonna let this sit for 24 hours. Then we'll flip it over and seal the top and see how it looks. That adhesive is already starting to seal. I just touched up everything with a little bit of black spray paint. I did not clean the rust on the bottom, but I just threw some paint on there just to prevent it from getting any worse. This is gonna be sitting on a deck, so I don't want that to stain the wood. Okay, it has been 24 hours. Let's see if it adhered. Okay. Oh, that's heavy. Woo! All right, let's bring it outside, seal it up, and show you the finished product. So I have two different products here. I have a daily cleaner. After the cleaner, the sealer. Time for the sealer. Well, that is it for this project. Hope you enjoyed watching. This was a really simple, quick project. Made this for Mother's Day. This was salvaged from a property that was purchased at auction and then renovated. And I saved this from the dumpster because I thought this cast iron base was so cool. It probably, maybe it came from like Sears Roebuck or something as like a 3-piece set, and then you could throw whatever tabletop you wanted on there. Originally it had a uninteresting rotten wood top, so we ripped that off of there. And my friend RJ set me up with this nice piece of marble. He salvaged this from some clean out he did and sold it to me for 20 bucks. I had it sitting around until I found a good use for it, and I thought this was perfect. All in, this table cost me just maybe 20 or 30 bucks. I used a couple cans of self-etching primer, a couple cans of semi-gloss Rust-Oleum black, and I had that shower wall adhesive laying around. I had the threaded rod laying around. So this was just a cheap, fun project to put together, and I'm really happy with how it came out. You know, there's some pitting in the cast iron and stuff. Finish isn't perfect, but it's not meant to be perfect. It's going to be a really nice table to sit out on a deck and just enjoy for many years to come. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please feel free to check out my other videos. Lots of other interesting stuff on my channel. See you on the next video.